Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. Today, the exterior on this brand new 2024 Toyota RAV4 LE hybrid all-wheel drive. In this video, I'm going to walk around the outside, show you all the great exterior features, and be sure and watch for a link at the end of this video. That's when I'm going to dive inside and check out the interior. So in this video, let's get started right here up front. For 24, there's no major changes on the RAV4 hybrid. So the front end is the same, but if you didn't watch my 23 videos, hopefully you find this 2024 video helpful. So as far as the front end design, the headlight assembly was changed out, I think it was last year or 2 years ago. They just redesigned and realigned the headlights. So we have daytime running lights up here. We have a projector style LED headlight with high beam, low beam, and then you'll see here we actually have a halogen turn signal on this particular model. It does have marker lamps here on the side as well to add some visibility down the side. As far as features up front, these vents right here, these are faux vents, so they don't actually do anything, just there for styling, but some people would like to add some accent light or fog lights, and that's an option for there as well. With the hybrid, of course, you get the blue Toyota badge. Behind here is a sensor for your dynamic radar cruise control, and then there's some additional sensors up in the windshield, and that's for lane tracing assist, road sign assist, pedestrian detection, those types of things. That's all up in that sensor. I love the lines on the hood on the RAV4. It gives it a nice aggressive look. This part of the grille here, it's ABS plastic. It's not painted, so if you do pick up any damage, it's easy to replace. The lower bumper, same thing, ABS plastic. It's not painted, easy to replace if you pick up any scratches, dents, or dings. But this is pretty darn durable as well. And of course, it's lightweight to help with the fuel economy. Sorry about the shadow today. It is getting that time of year where shadows are going to be long and low. So here's a quick side profile for the RAV4. If you've never owned a RAV4 and you're considering one, this is an excellent choice. The overfenders on here, same thing, unpainted, ABS plastic, scratch and dent resistant and durable. The hybrid version of this comes with the cast aluminum wheels. So these are a silver painted alloy wheel with chrome lug nuts, 225/60 series tire, 60's the thickness of the sidewall. Gives it a nice ride versus the low profile tire, and these tires are really good in the snow as well. This is your all-wheel drive edition. So as far as the suspension goes, McPherson struts up front, fully independent front suspension, really a nice smooth riding vehicle. Mud guards integrated into the fenders, and then notice these huge rocker panels that they have on here. So this entire part down here, again, ABS plastic, and it's actually applied over the top of the door here. So if somebody opens their door into a curb or something on the side, this is going to protect that door. These are easy to replace. You can get them through the parts department, a few twists of a screwdriver, and you could replace them yourself. This one has the factory body side molding here on both sides. It'll protect the door. That's a $250 option, or add-on, if you will. Strongly recommended if you're going to buy one of these for ride share. You might also want to get the door edge guards. Color to match door handles, black mirror caps, so not color to match. Notice no turn signals in these mirrors either on the LE edition. Mirrors fold out, mirrors fold in. There's no blind spot monitoring on the LE edition, and these ones are not heated outside mirrors either, but they are power. Notice we've got chrome trim up and over the top of the windowsill, and then black along the side here, and a nice scratch resistant applique here for your fingernails, or if you have rings on your finger, you slam the door. Sometimes you see this get scratched up. Up on the roof here, there is a roof rack or rail system, gloss black, and you can buy attachments for bikes, kayaks, and canoes. The LE editions does not have a sunroof. It's not even available on the LE. You have to kind of step up to the XLE to get this power sliding sunroof if that's something you're looking for. I really like the lines on the RAV4. It gives it a nice aggressive look. There's a line that comes down the roof line all the way underneath the door handle. Pretty cool look. Gas door is going to be right here on the driver's side. Again, mud guards on the back as well. Then they use a gloss black trim here into the sail panel, color to match high mounted spoiler, color to match shark fin antenna up top. And then we have privacy glass not only on the back hatch but also here on the back doors. This glass window does not open on the RAV4. Rear window defrost is in there. And then here's your third brake light up top. It's an LED third brake light. Washer wiper as well. It's going to be standard. This is your entry-level hybrid all-wheel drive, and the level of standard equipment's pretty nice. Sticker price on this one with the door edge guards, all-weather floor liners. I think this one's a little over $33,000. Notice the tail lights wrap around. I like the black bezels. That really refines and brings it in nicely. This little deal right here, if you're wondering what that is, they call it a vortex generator. It's supposed to reduce wind noise and increase fuel economy. Probably marginally increase it, but that's why it's there. Notice your rear tail lights. These are LED tail lights, but you have a halogen turn signal and then halogen backup lights there as well. The badging on the back, RAV4 is chrome. The Toyota hybrid badge is here, and then we have LE and a hybrid badge down here as well. The backup camera is going to be right up under the license plate on this, and then this LE edition does not have a power lift gate. It's a manual lift gate, and there's a handle right here to put up and down. Be sure and watch for the link at the end of this video. I'm going to dive inside later or in a second video and show you the interior features. But one of the things I like about the tailgate is this ABS plastics mounted on top of the tailgate, so it's less likely to damage it if you put it up and down in a garage or something like that. You're going to be able to protect that tailgate from damage. The lower bumper on here is the same as the front bumper with the ABS plastic scratch and dent resistant. And then you'll notice we have dual chrome exhaust tips. It's not a dual exhaust system, it's just the tips are chrome. There's actually only one muffler underneath there. Here's a quick look up underneath at your suspension. Hopefully you can see something. I can't see what you're seeing. But it is a fully independent rear suspension as well, so the ride on this is pretty smooth. Let's do this. Let's go ahead up front. We'll pop that hood, and I'll show you the hybrid engine, the 2.5 liter hybrid engine. It's a really great power plant. Gets amazing fuel economy. Can you believe 39 miles per gallon? Let's take a look. So RAV4 hybrid comes standard with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine. It's a 16 valve engine with variable valve timing, and it's connected to a CVT automatic transmission. And then over on this side of the engine compartment, this is where your electronics and your motors for your hybrid system, your electric motors. And that big orange cable right there goes all the way to the back, connects to the battery, but also helps to connect to the rear wheels, because the all-wheel drive system on this has electric motors to power the rear windows. Or, I'm sorry, not rear windows, rear wheels. So let's talk about warranties that come on this. Well, I forgot to mention this is 219 horsepower as well, 39 miles combined fuel economy, city and highway. As far as warranties, the engine and the CVT transmission, they have a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, no deductible. And then over on your hybrid system, the motor, electric motors, all the mechanicals relating to the hybrid system, the mechanicals have an 8-year, 100,000 mile warranty. And then the hybrid battery has a 10-year, 150,000 mile warranty, no deductible on any of the warranties under the hood. And then of course you get Toyota Care, and Toyota Care covers your basic maintenance for the first 2 years, 25,000 miles. So your oil changes, your fluid top-offs, inspections, mechanical inspections that we do at the dealerships, and then tire rotations are all covered under the Toyota Care program. And again, that lasts for 2 years or 25,000 miles. And that includes roadside assistance for the 2 years, 25,000 miles as well. So you've got some really great warranties. You've got Toyota Care, which will save you hundreds of dollars in maintenance expenses over the first 2 years. So really a great package, and you can't go wrong with a RAV4, that's for sure.